Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of freezing on the application of WhatsApp. You will click on settings. In this page you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above here you will search about WhatsApp and you will enter. Here in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage, then we click on clear cache. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.